You stay here. I will go and check the footage.
You're finished, you psychotic freak!
Why did you hurt your sister?
Sit down, let's talk.
Let's have fun today, my love.
Sounds wonderful, darling.